Ready to tackle that dishwasher installation? Great. You're about to embark on a rewarding DIY project that will not only save you money but also give you a sense of accomplishment. Installing a dishwasher may seem daunting, but it's totally doable with the right guidance. With a bit of patience and the right tools, you'll have your new appliance up and running in no time. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. We'll break it down into manageable steps so you can follow along easily, even if it's your first time. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a beginner, we'll make sure you have the confidence to get the job done right. No prior experience is necessary. Just follow our instructions carefully. We'll start with gathering your tools and materials. Having everything you need at your fingertips will make the installation process much smoother and more efficient. Then, we'll move on to prepping the area, connecting everything, and finally testing to make sure it's all working smoothly. Each step is crucial to ensure your dishwasher operates correctly and safely. Before we get started, let's make sure you have your new dishwasher and all the necessary tools ready. Double-checking your checklist can save you from unexpected delays. Having everything on hand makes the process smoother and prevents unnecessary trips to the hardware store. Organization is key to a successful DIY project. We'll go over the specific tools you'll need in the next section. From wrenches to screwdrivers, we'll cover it all so you're fully prepared. Now let's get that dishwasher installed and your dishes sparkling clean. Imagine the convenience and efficiency you'll enjoy once it's all set up. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this. With our guidance, you'll have your new dishwasher installed and running perfectly in no time. Let's dive in and make this project a success. Let's gather everything we need. Before we start, let's gather our tools and materials. This step is crucial to ensure that our project goes smoothly and efficiently. Having everything on hand will make the installation process much smoother. It saves time and prevents unnecessary interruptions. Here's a checklist to make sure you have everything you need. First, an adjustable wrench. This tool is essential for tightening and loosening nuts and bolts. Adjustable wrench. Next, screwdrivers. Make sure you have both Phillips and flathead types. These will be used for various screws and fasteners. Level, tape measure, pliers. A level and tape measure are crucial for ensuring everything is aligned and measured correctly. Pliers will help with gripping and bending. Drill might be needed for some installations. A drill might be necessary for some installations, especially if you need to make holes or drive screws into tougher materials. Bucket, towels, safety glasses, new dishwasher. A bucket and towels are handy for any spills or leaks. Safety glasses are important to protect your eyes. And of course, the new dishwasher. Dishwasher installation kit usually includes water supply line and drain hose, Teflon tape. The dishwasher installation kit usually includes a water supply line and a drain hose. Teflon tape is used to seal pipe threads. Wire connectors, if doing electrical yourself. If you're handling the electrical work yourself, you'll need wire connectors and electrical tape. Electrical tape, if doing electrical yourself. Having the right tools and materials is crucial for a successful installation. It ensures that you can handle any situation that arises. Double-check your checklist to ensure you have everything you need before we move on to the next step. Let's get started. Time to clear some space. Safety first. Always remember to wear your safety gloves and glasses before starting any DIY project. It's crucial to protect yourself from potential hazards. Before we begin, let's turn off the power supply to the dishwasher area at the electrical panel. This step is essential to prevent any electrical accidents while we're working. We don't want any surprises while we're working. Always double-check that the power is off before proceeding. Next, shut off the water supply valve that controls the water to your dishwasher. This will prevent any water leaks or flooding during the installation process. This is usually located under the sink. Make sure to turn it off completely. Now let's clear out the space under the sink where the dishwasher will be installed. Remove any items that might be in the way. Remove any obstacles or items stored there. This will give you a clear view and easy access to the installation area. Measure the height, width, and depth of the dishwasher opening to ensure your new dishwasher will fit properly. Accurate measurements are key to a successful installation. Having a clear and accessible workspace is important for a smooth installation. Organize your tools and materials beforehand. Make sure you have enough room to maneuver and work comfortably. A spacious area will make the installation process much easier. Now that we have the area prepped and safe, let's move on to removing your old dishwasher if you have one. Carefully disconnect the old unit following the manufacturer's instructions. If you're replacing an existing dishwasher, we need to remove it first. Start by disconnecting the power supply to the dishwasher. Then, disconnect the water supply line from the shut-off valve. Have your bucket ready to catch any remaining water in the line. Next, locate the drain hose. It's usually connected to the garbage disposal or a drain pipe under the sink. Carefully detach the drain hose, again using the bucket to catch any water. With the connections loose, you can now remove the old dishwasher. Dishwashers can be heavy, so it's a good idea to have someone help you lift and remove the old unit. With the old dishwasher out of the way, we can now prepare to install the new one. Next, we'll get your new dishwasher in place. Section 5. Positioning the new dishwasher. Getting it in place. Carefully slide the new dishwasher into the opening, making sure it's level and centered. If your dishwasher has adjustable legs, now is the time to adjust them, until the dishwasher is level from front to back and side to side. Use your level to check for accuracy. Double-check that the dishwasher is pushed all the way back into the opening and that it aligns with your cabinets. This ensures a neat and integrated look in your kitchen. Take your time and ensure the dishwasher is properly positioned and level before moving on to the next steps. A level dishwasher will operate more efficiently and prevent any potential issues down the road. Section 6. Water supply hookup? Let's get the water flowing. Now it's time to connect the water supply line to your new dishwasher. Locate the water inlet valve on your dishwasher, usually at the back or bottom of the unit. Wrap the threads of the valve with Teflon tape to create a watertight seal. Connect the water supply line to the inlet valve, hand tightening it first. Then, use an adjustable wrench to give it another quarter to half a turn. Don't over-tighten it. Be sure to check your specific dishwasher's instructions for any specific recommendations on the water supply connection. A secure water supply connection is crucial to prevent leaks. Double-check your work and ensure the connection is tight but not over-tightened, as this could damage the valve. Section 7. Drain hose connection. Time to hook up the drain. Locate the drain hose connection on your dishwasher. It's usually near the water inlet valve. Connect the drain hose to the dishwasher, securing it with a hose clamp if required. Consult your dishwasher's instructions for specific guidance. Next, connect the other end of the drain hose to the air gap, if you have one, or directly to the dishwasher drain connection on your garbage disposal or sink drain. Use a hose clamp here as well to ensure a secure connection. Make sure the drain hose is positioned properly and not kinked or bent, as this could restrict water flow and cause drainage issues. We're almost there. Let's move on to the electrical connection. Section 8. Electrical connection. Almost there. If you're not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it's best to consult a qualified electrician for this step. If you're comfortable with basic electrical work, locate the junction box behind your dishwasher. Carefully connect the dishwasher's wiring to the house wiring using wire connectors, ensuring proper color coding: white to white, black to black, and ground to green or bare copper. Secure the wire connectors with electrical tape. Once the wiring is complete, carefully tuck the wires back into the junction box. Then, you can push the dishwasher back into its final position under the counter. Always double-check your work when it comes to electrical connections. Safety is paramount. Make sure the connections are secure and properly insulated to prevent any hazards. Section 9. Testing time. Let's make sure everything works. Now it's time to test your handiwork. Turn the water supply back on under the sink and check all the connections for any leaks. Then turn the power back on at the electrical panel. Run a short cycle on your dishwasher to ensure it's filling with water, draining properly, and operating as expected. Listen carefully for any unusual noises and observe the water flow during the cycle. If you notice any leaks, strange noises, or if the dishwasher isn't working correctly, double-check your connections and consult your dishwasher's troubleshooting guide or contact a professional plumber or electrician if needed. Section 10. Final tips. You did it! Congratulations! You've successfully installed your new dishwasher. To keep it running smoothly for years to come, remember to consult your dishwasher's user manual for specific care and maintenance instructions. Here are a few final tips. Regularly clean the dishwasher filter to prevent clogs and maintain optimal performance. Use a dishwasher cleaner periodically to remove mineral buildup and keep your dishes sparkling. Don't overload the dishwasher, as this can restrict water flow and cleaning effectiveness. Enjoy your sparkling clean dishes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Section 11. Want more DIY? Feeling empowered by your dishwasher installation success? Subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow DIY guides, tips, and tricks to tackle projects around your home with confidence.